Hello friends. Today I am going to tell you a story that will open your eyes. There was a boy named Jake who was thinking about buying an iPhone for a long time. He saved money through hard work and one day went to the market. But what happened to him can happen to you too. So make sure to watch this video till the end because you can also get scammed, like Jake. Jake reached the market and saw many stores. Every seller was saying, "Bro, I have original iPhone." Jake went into a store where the seller seemed very honest. The seller said, "Buddy, I have the best deal for you. Everything is completely original." Jake bought the phone in a hurry. When he came home, his happiness knew no bounds. But when he opened the phone, his heart sank. The box looked original, but inside was something else. Inside, he got duplicate accessories. The charger was fake and the phone weight was also less. Jake went back, but the seller refused. He said, "You must have changed it yourself." Jake tried to get his money back, but it was no use. Now let me tell you the first important check. Whenever you buy an iPhone, first check the IMEI number, go to Settings, go to General. Then About. There you will find the IMEI number written. Check this number on Apple's official website. If this number does not match, understand that the phone is duplicate or stolen. Now let me tell you the second important thing. Let's learn from Jake's mistake. Check the phone weight properly. Original iPhone weight is written on Apple website. If the phone feels light, understand something is wrong inside. Second, look at the screen carefully. Original iPhone screen is very smooth. If you run your finger on fake phone screen, you will feel the difference. Also check camera quality. Take some photos and zoom in to see original iPhone camera quality is very sharp. Now checking battery health is also very important. Go to Battery section in Settings. Click on Battery Health. If it is less than 85%, the phone has been used a lot. There is another big scam about display. Some sellers put duplicate display in original iPhone, so definitely check True Tone feature. Go to Display and Brightness in Settings. If True Tone option is not there, the display is duplicate. Also, test Face ID in front of you. Register your face and then test it properly. Sometimes Face ID gets damaged due to duplicate parts. Remember Jake's story, right? He had already been scammed, but his friend Mike was smart. Mike checked all these things and got an original iPhone at the right price. Now, very important thing, if the seller says there is no box, then absolutely do not buy. Original iPhone always comes with box. Serial number on box should match with serial number inside iPhone. You will find this in Settings in General in About. If it does not match, this phone is definitely stolen or duplicate. Charger and cable should also be original. Apple logo on Apple charger is very clean. On fake charger, the logo is blurry. And also, check cable quality. Original cable has very good finishing. Fake cable breaks quickly and gets damaged. So friends, these were the most important points. Do not get scammed like Jake. Always check all these things. IMEI number, weight and screen quality, battery health, True Tone display, Face, ID box, and serial number and original accessories. But listen, there is still one big scam left, which happens the most. That scam is activation lock. In the next video, I will tell you about this. Because this scam happened to Jake again, and this time he suffered a lot of loss, so definitely watch the next video. Goodbye.